Hello everybody and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And if you are using Hostinger and want to change the language setting, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to switch your preferred language step by step. So let's get started. First of all, open the web browser on your mobile device and go to Hostinger's official website, that is www.hostinger.com. From there, make sure that you are logged into your account by clicking on the option saying login. And once you are on your dashboard, click on your profile option, which is usually located on the top right corner of the screen. From there, you can see an option saying language on the drop down menu. Simply click on it. There you will see a drop down menu with various language options. Choose the one you prefer. For instance, if you like to switch for Spanish, click on Espanol. And after selecting your language, the changes should apply automatically. Your dashboard and interface will now be displayed in your chosen language. It's simple as that. And there you have it. In just few clicks, you have updated your Hostinger language setting. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.